There are multiple types of labor quotes in IQ. We'll start with a simple hourly quote. To create an hourly quote, click New, search for the customer, and choose the standard work order template. Click OK. You'll enter the name, which is a short description of the work to be performed, and the scope of work will be written in detail in this box. Here you would take the time to fill out which building the job will be performed at. If you want to get more detailed with the floor or even location, you can do that. Make sure that the people in the participants section are properly defined. Because this is a simple hourly quote, we don't need services, options, or lines in this particular quote. We'll jump straight to pricing, and you'll be presented with a standard set of tasks that are part of your template. Simply come to the quoted column, enter the number of hours required. In this case, I'll say 6 warehouse, half a day for driver and truck, and 5 men for a day. Once I've entered those hours, I can click Delete Zeros, and that will strip out all the unused lines. In addition, the customer's hourly rates will be added to the order and calculated for you. Move to the Overview tab and choose the overview you'd like to present and review it for accuracy. Once you're satisfied with the presentation, click Distribution. Choose the people you'd like to distribute the quote to. Enter your email. Change the status to Presented, and select Save and Send. The system will assign a number and distribute emails for you to present your quote. When complete, click Save and Close. Your order will be stored in the database until further use.